This is a Neewer Arca base plate with a 1/4x20 screw. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $20. They haven't paid me for the review, and my opinions remain my own. So inside the box we have a booklet, which is actually a little bigger than I would kind of expect for a base plate. Has basically lots of different languages, information about it. A little Allen wrench. And we have the base plate here, and there is a little thing here that says cannot eat, it's a desiccant. So in here we have a screw that requires either a flathead or the Allen wrench to tighten it. There's no knurls on the outside, there's no loop of wire you can use to tighten it yourself, so you're pretty much going to have to use a tool to tighten this up. The bottom it says UA078, it says Neewer here. There's a little bit of rubber padding there, there's the 1/4x20 threads, and then there's a little spring-loaded catch here in case your device has a little hole for position and keep it from rotating. Alright, so the plate is made out of aluminum. The metal parts appear to be stainless. They're certainly not attracting the magnet here at all. And you can see they kind of have the Arca style catches inside all four sides of the plate there. So it's quite small, only weighs 18 grams. So if you have a gimbal or tripod head that uses the Arca style mounts, you just clamp this guy in, and you have it securely mounted. So this is specifically designed for kind of the RS style stabilizers, but you can use it with any head that has an Arca plate clamp. Alright, so everything looks very nice, works correctly, sized correctly. Not much more to say about it. It's the real deal.